What up, guys? It's your boy Gabe the Gent, aka the Collector, coming at you with another video. We're coming at you. Just left the rental car place. Was a little nervous if we're gonna be able to get a Suburban. You know, it's not always guaranteed, but we in the Chevy Suburban, ready to make this road trip up to North Carolina. We're in Delray right now, about to head home, start packing up and stuff. Definitely excited for this trip. It's been a minute. It's been a long time since a road trip. Last time a road trip of this magnitude was when we went to Virginia, also in the winter. So definitely excited for some cold. Not too cold, but yeah, we got the rental car. We're ready to go, God willing. Make it up there safely. Ready for some Thanksgiving with some friends. I mean, with some friends, with some family. Yes, sir. So we got the whippage. We're setting it up so we can be prepared leaving tonight. Got the car seat in. Got the bench here. Got some little things that we got from Amazon, just for like tablets and phones and, you know, entertainment for the kids. We got a couple of lap seats, or not seats, lap desks for the girls. Little trash can. I believe that's it. That's at least for the girls. Then we got the little rack for the luggage. Taking the dogs. Got some straps. Hopefully it'll be able to fit a couple of luggage pieces back here. But this will be the second time we're traveling a road trip with the dogs. Last time we were in the Traverse and we didn't have any cages. Obviously it wasn't big enough, but yeah, we're gonna see how it goes this time. But yeah, we're a little bit more structured. They'll be chilling here in their own little space. So yep, just keep prepping, ready to go tonight, or in preparation for tonight. What up, guys? Checking in from the cabin. What's up, Aubrey? Aubrey's bundled up. Piney Knob cabin. Oh, Piney Knob Lodge. It's another cabin around here close. That's the cabin we're staying in. Rental. This is the property. I don't know if you can see that little bridge over there, a little creek under it. That's kind of how you come in, the little roadway over here. You come in, and then you come up this way. It's a little sketchy at night, a little sketchy at day, but even more sketchier at night. We got a little pond over there. The guy said that you could fish over there, so we might try that out a little bit later. I don't know how fishing is. What's up, girl?
I see a little door.
Yeah, that's for underneath the house. I don't know. We don't need to go under there. Got some wood over here.
That's what I told them.
A little fire pit over here. See if we can burn some or roast some marshmallows tonight. We got a fireplace inside, but it's propane. Not sure if it's suitable for be careful, baby. I don't know why you didn't put no shoes, girl. Who's coming? Oh, grandma. Careful with the sliding down. Got the duck boots on. Duck boot Air Force Ones. Haven't worn these since for a minute. I don't know where I'm gonna go out to the cold areas, but yeah, we got some wood out here. Okay, we got a little fire pit over here. Benches. Oh yeah. A little walkway, a little driveway. Another cabin over here somewhere, my mom said, but yeah. But yeah, this is a property pretty cold outside. It's like 35, 40 degrees. I'm gonna go inside and show you the cabin in a second. But yeah, let's just enjoy this cold. So here's the outside of the cabin. We got some benches, some little seats and footrests. But yeah, earlier we were down there by the lake. We'll call it a lake for now. We went down this way. And then the side entrance, all handicap accessible. But yeah, let's take a look inside. Yeah, jolly old Christmas here. So we got the fireplace, propane, TV, 3 couches. They do turn into beds, so if you really wanted to have a lot of people. Breakfast table. Got the kitchen. Welcome to our cabin.
He said something and it cut me off. He probably said the reception is bad.
First bathroom.
Yeah, it's working.
Hallway. First bedroom's on the left. King. 2 on the right. Another king. Pretty standard. Each of them have their little AC heater options. They got the this is JJ's room. Bathrooms. Each has their bathroom. As you can see, everything decked out in this wood. Another bathroom here. Coming down the sand in this one. King also bathroom. Little thing. I'm guessing this is the master at the back. This is another king. Got a big armoire over here. Walk-in closet right there. Got all the supplies. Yeah, like I said, this is the master bathroom. We got the bathroom. We got the shower over here. Pretty good, pretty nice. Wood floors in the room. We got some tile as you go into the hallway. But yeah, very spacious. My mom has one room with the girls. We have one with Logan, Ramadan, and JJ. Somebody is waiting to go outside.
Oh. Move! Oh, padre, está curada.
Got the pantry. A little storage closet. The little islands, nice. Kitchen, stove. This is where all the Thanksgiving goodies is coming. Laundry room. So yeah, very spacious. I think it's about 2,000 square feet. Back door over here.
Todos andamos haciendo el vlog para Facebook.
Para el Facebook. If you're 50 and over, you have to have a Facebook. Go live at least once. But yeah, this is where I started the video, on the other side over there. But at least this segment, very nice, very nice. Love the weather, love the cold, especially for living in Florida all my life. Love coming out here for the cold. Especially, well, yesterday was a little sketchy. We went down the wrong road and we ran into something like trailer, and I was like, okay, this is definitely not the cabin. But yeah, we're here. But yeah, no space. Gonna have my other sisters come for Thanksgiving. We'll have this place packed. Catch y'all on the next one. So we're taking a walk down the hill that we come up. Kind of explore a little bit with the kids. Yeah, that's steep as hell.
I got my homemade scarf.
Mm-hmm.
I should have bought something for my face.
Oh, your face. Face mount. Oh,
Surprised the creek is not frozen.
it's not that cold. It's maybe a little bit colder. Plus the sun's coming out. Well, the sun's out, I should say. I'm sure it feels better in the sun than right now because we're in the shade.
Big tree is dying.
Nah, it's just all the leaves fell off. We'll be back.
So many trees. I found wood over there.
Yeah. So see, this is the driveway. You go up. Last night we got here late, so it was a little sketchy. You don't want to go too right, too left. If not, you'll have to get stuck. See the little sparkles on the, or little frost on the ground. That's the cabin up there, lodge, whatever you want to call it. The creek.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can we find a way to get up there?
Yeah, walk there.
Well,
Or take the bridge.
you can walk over the water.
Yeah.
You can walk over the water. That's a faster
Water's
way.
clear. It's deep too. Fall in there, you're gonna get wet. Wet. Yeah. This little football playing field right here. Too bad my football days are over. Yeah. We'll check in back when we get to the cabin. So that's the smaller cabin, which is still pretty big. I don't know how big it is, but this is the little lake or whatever, the pond you want to call it. It's supposed to have fish, bass in it, but
It's this big.
yeah. Oh, there's a little boat over there.
Where?
Oh, over there?
Mm-hmm.
The canoe.
A canoe. I don't recommend it. What's up, girl? I don't recommend it, but little trail goes over somewhere. Gotta have when to get the gloves back on, man.
Four patches. These damn covers on these phones are expensive. Unless you get it on sale.
These damn phones.
Yeah. I paid $20 for this cover.
Look at the grandmas with their cell phones.
Yeah, with the glasses, we can't see.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gianna. Happy birthday to Make a wish.
I don't got time for that shit.
Matt,
Make it.
bring my snap,
Make it. Make sure.
Everybody's gonna
But I want this.
In the back of the line.
Okay.
Oh, food right here.
I'm taking orders. Cut the turkey. Dave has to cut the turkey.
No.